Have you ever wondered how we walk without slipping or why cars stop when brakes are applied? Let's explore friction, a force that resists motion. Friction between our shoes and the ground helps us walk without slipping. It provides the grip we rely on daily. Tire friction enables cars to move and stop safely. It's crucial for driving and braking. When we write with a pen or pencil, friction helps the writing instrument grip the paper. Striking a match generates heat through friction, allowing it to ignite. This everyday action demonstrates friction's importance. Friction helps us hold onto objects. It prevents items from slipping out of our hands.
Friction is everywhere. From walking on the ground to stopping a moving car, this invisible force plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Let's explore what friction is. It's the force that opposes motion, with real-life examples of friction in action. Static friction keeps objects at rest. Sliding friction is the resistance when objects slide over each other. Rolling friction helps wheels reduce resistance. Fluid friction is the resistance in air and water. We can reduce friction using lubricants like oil and grease, streamlining objects, and using smoother surfaces and ball bearings. Friction enables walking, riding, and driving. It helps generate heat, useful in matchsticks and car brakes, providing grip and stability. However, friction can also cause wear and tear in machines, waste energy, and reduce the efficiency of moving parts.
Consider how car tires grip the road, or how athletes benefit from friction to enhance their performance. Friction generates heat, like when rubbing your hands together. Too much friction can cause wear and tear. In daily life, friction is both helpful and harmful. It's important to understand its effects.
The first law of friction states it depends on the nature of surfaces in contact. Understand these laws for better clarity. The second law reveals that friction is independent of contact area. Larger areas don't necessarily mean more friction. According to the third law, friction is proportional to the normal force acting between the surfaces in contact. The fourth law tells us that kinetic friction is usually less than static friction. This is why starting motion can be tricky. Friction is essential in our daily lives for various activities. Can you think of more ways friction helps us every day? Let us know in the comments.